Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to make waffles but you don't have a waffle iron? Don't worry, I got you. I'm going to be giving you the perfect recipe for delicious, yummy waffles. Just keep on watching this video. So guys, we're going to be needing all-purpose flour. I'm going to be using 2 cups, some sugar, some baking powder, and some salt. And I'm just going to be mixing all this all together very well. Mix it well so that at least your baking powder is not separated from your flour. Everything is well fused and well immersed together. The next thing we are going to be mixing is our wet ingredients, and we have some eggs, some melted butter, some vanilla essence, some milk, and we're going to be whisking all this together as well. You can check for the details on the recipe on the video. Everything is well listed out, so you are sure to get the full recipe in case you want to be making yours. So just the way we mix the dry ingredients, I'm also whisking or mixing my wet ingredients as well. Of course, I have to mix everything so that it's well fused. And it's now time to add my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients. I'll be doing this in batches. You don't want to do it all at the same time to avoid lumps so that I can control any mistake from the beginning. Don't worry, it's still a little bit lumpy, but all this will be settled soon. You just have to whisk and to mix it very well, very thoroughly. Just go on, smash out all those lumps, keep on whisking until when you get your smooth batter. You want your waffles to be as smooth as possible. And it's now time to add the rest of the dry ingredients. I basically just like mixed it half and half, but if you want to mix yours in two, like in 1 to 3 times, it's perfectly fine. It all depends on whatever you want or whatever you're comfortable with. It looks lumpy at this point, but guys, don't worry. I shortened the video, but I really like mixed it very well, and you can see how smooth it is now. So it's now time to oil my waffle molds. I have the silicone waffle molds, and you can easily get them from AliExpress, from Amazon, or from like kitchen tools vendors. You can just look out for them. They're sold almost everywhere. So I'm just pouring in my butter into my molds, and I have like a lot of molds. This is just to show you like an example. And I have this yummy looking molds, and I like them because they also have like very good shapes for kids. And I'll be baking this in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade, and in like 15 minutes my waffles were ready. Can you see? I still like them to be like moist, so I don't like to take them too far. If you take them too far, it will become dry and it won't be like waffles like that anymore. Except you want like really dry waffles if that's what you're going for. But we want some moist ones, don't we? So guys, I was just removing my waffles at this point from the mold. It was still very hot, so I had to be careful with my hands and my fingers. So basically, because I oiled it, it was very easy to remove. Everything will just, you don't need to even stress at all. The oiling made it very easy, and I oiled it with some butter. So I allowed it to cool, and it was now time to serve, and I served with some vanilla ice cream and some maple syrup. You can use whatever you want, you can use whatever you please, you can use some sorbet, whatever you want guys, basically. And that's the waffles, no waffle iron at all, served with some cream. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in other subsequent videos. Stay healthy, stay happy. Love you guys. Bye.